Grabe! Ang laki sa murang halaga, ang taba, tapos super ducks. And higit sa lahat, super dami oh. Ayan, ito patar ascorbic acid 500 milligrams from Thailand. Hello everybody, my name is Anthony, and in this video, we will be revealing to you itong unique vitamin C na nabili ko from Lazada. So, as a healthcare frontliner working in COVID ward, as in COVID ward ako ngayon, it's important for me to boost my immune system with itong ascorbic acid. Ayan. Kasi naubos ko na yung mga ascorbic acid dahil nga as in nakababad kami 4 hours sa loob ng ward mismo dun sa bedside ng mga patients na may COVID-19. Pero anyway, yan, prayers na lang po sa atin lahat. And with the help of, ayan, mga immune boosters like this, ascorbic acid. And I never expected itong product na to na super laki, super taba, ayan, super ducks talaga siya, tapos super dami. And now, we're going to unpack or remove yung kanyang bubble wrap. Hindi ko talaga in-expect na sobrang laki nito because sa mga nakikita ko na for sale sa social media, feeling ko ganito lang siya kalaki. Ayan, and kaliit. Pero ganito pala siya talaga ka-big, ka-large, or ka-ducks. So, ayan, punitin na lang natin para mai-reveal ang ating main product for today. So, it's like this, ladies and gentlemen. Ayan, pagpasensyahan nyo na ako. Ayan, so pati yung cap na tanggal. Anyway, so it's Patar. So Patar yung pangalan ng brand. Ayan, so it's Patar. This is a product made from or made in Thailand. So this product is very unique. Nai-impress ako sa mga products from Thailand because as in very quality. So meron siyang mga ingredients here, key ingredients, yung kanyang expiration date, yung kanyang laman. So it says here it's 1,000 tablets. Ayan siya guys. So na-manufacture siya sa no 8/15/2020, tapos mag-expire siya 2022, August 15, 2022. Ayan, so product of Thailand. So it is fruit-derived na vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Ayun guys. So precautionary lang if you are having gastritis or medyo hindi meron kang condition sa inyong stomach, duodenum, esophagus. Ayan, this is ascorbic acid. So since ascorbic acid siya, you should take it with meals para hindi kayo magkaroon ng hyperacidity. Ayan, because of this product, acid kasi siya. So anyway, magkano nga ba ang isang boteng ganito? So revealing the price is 250 or 300 pesos. Merong 350 pesos. So, ang baseline is 300 or 350 pesos po ang isang bote na may 1,000 pieces vitamin C, ascorbic acid na, ayan, 500 milligrams. So, sobrang dami, sobrang laki, sobrang taba. Ayan. So, pag upon opening this product, ayan, ganyan siya. So, it is Patar, made by Patar Laboratories. Ayan siya guys, oh. So before you're going to open this product, ang dami niya talaga, promise, as in sobrang dami. So makikita mo dito na talagang original yung product na ito because ganito yung packaging niya and hindi directly na ganito. So let's open the product. Ayan. So bubuksan na natin siya. So I'm going to use my strength. Magpapaka-straight ako ngayon na lalaki. Pero, ayun. So, upon opening, yan, nag-pop up yung citric acid na parang citrusy na scent. Oh, citrusy scent. Doon mo talaga ma-determine na legit yung product upon smelling it. Ayun, oo. Meron siyang smell. So, it is, feeling ko chewable siya, pero hindi siya chewable. You need to have glass of water. So, let's check upon, wala siyang instructions dito. And, malalaman natin yan mamaya. So, here it is. Ayan. So, it looks like this. Ang dami, diba? Sobrang dami. Promise. Ayan. So, ngayon, i-flip natin itong camera and I'm going to focus yung itsura nito. Hey everybody. So, ito na ngayon yung ascorbic acid. Ayan, wala siyang laman because hindi ko pa pinur yung, ayan o. So, as in, sobrang dami niya. 1,000 tablets to. Anyway, we're going to, ayan, make a first look, first glimpse. So, this is, ang laki niya. Ang laki niya as in. Ang laki. So, it is very ducks. Talagang mataba. Alam mo yun, kapag mataba talagang as in mag-e-enjoy ka. And here, we have the nutritional facts. So, makikita natin, may mga carbohydrates, sugar, sodium, vitamin C, yun, yung 500 milligrams. Ayan. And then, meron siyang energy na kasama na ang protein, fats, saturated fats. So, ayan. Ingredients, sucrose, orange, fruit powder, vitamin C, magnesium, ayan, yung mga, parang fillers niya. Sunset yellow orange flavor. So, it is manufactured by Patar Lab Co. Limited. Ayan. So, talagang from Thailand siya. Manufactured August 15, 2020. Expiration August 15 din, 2020. Store below 30 degrees Celsius in a dry place. And away from children kasi alam nyo na, mahirap na kapag paglaruan ng mga bata. So, it is product of Thailand for export. As in, na-impressed. I'm very impressed with this vitamin C kasi hindi ko na-expect na sobrang laki niya. Unlike here, tinitipid ang mga ganito, as in tinitipid. Pero itong product na to, sulit na sulit. I guess this is the cheapest vitamin C na product na encounter ko in my life. Promise. So, as in, hindi ko na-expect na ganito siya kalaki. As in, sana all ganito, no? Ganito yung products. Ayan. So, let's flip it back and let's have a taste test. Ngayon, we're going to have a test. So, ayan. So, before anything else, ipupur ko na lang dito para, alam nyo yun. Ayan, maraming as in. May natira ba? Ay, meron. Wait lang ah. So, ayan na nga. I am really impressed because hindi ko na-expect na ganito siya. So, syempre medyo ano siya. Nakaka-irritate sa nasal mo. Pero anyway, kuha tayo ng isa. So, here, it is like that. Maliit siya. As you can compare sa nails ko. Ayan, sa nail and ito. So, halos half ng nails ko ito. So, kung i-compare mo, half talaga siya. And, titignan natin, iti-taste natin kung may flavor nga. Kasi, in-smell ko siya. Ayan, alam mo yun, citrusy siya. Oo, malakas yung citrus flavor niya, maasim. You can taste the sugar. O, diba? Parang chewable siya. Yeah. Chewable siya. But you can also drink it. Yeah, chewable siya. Candy. Grabe, I'm very sorry. Medyo na-amaze ako. Na-ignoramos ako. Natutuwa lang ako. Yeah, it's candy. I'm in shock. This is the first time na nag-vlog ako na parang more than yung ina-expect mo ang talagang na-receive mo. Pero since ayoko na magtagal siya sa bunganga ko, kasi syempre sugar siya, lulunukin ko na lang. Ayan. And make sure drink 10 to 14 or 12 to 14 glasses of water daily. Lalong-lalo na ako kasi I'm exposed. I am very, very exposed. Talagang, as in, alam mo yon, everyday nasa hospital ako, tas I'm sa pinaka-dangerous part ng hospital, which is the COVID ward. Ayan. Make sure to store this product in a hindi masyado mainit na area. So like here, I can store this product inside this cabinet. Ayan. So out of reach of children because kasi kapag hinayaan mo lang siya na ilagay sa mga reachable areas, pwedeng kunin or paglaruan ng mga bata. Ayan. And syempre, baka mag-cause siya ng choking. And especially this one, maliliit siya. So pag one take na maraming ganon, as in, baka mati-choke yung mga bata. So, keep out of reach of children. And this is para sa pamilya, 1,000 milligrams, 1,000 tablets, pero 999 tablets na lang kasi kinain ko na yung isa. Ayan, excuse me. You can take this twice daily, especially ngayon, pandemic, talagang twice daily. But for me, tsaka yung mga ibang kasama ko, nag-take kami ng thrice a day. Kasi nga, nasa front lines kami. So, 2 to 3 tablets daily, ascorbic acid. So, madaling maubos to because I'm not the only one who will be taking this product. Ayan. So, guys, kung natuwa kayo dito sa aking vlog for this year, itong ascorbic acid na by Patar. Ayan. Thailand brand na ascorbic acid. Don't forget to subscribe my 2 YouTube channels. I have 2 YouTube channels, guys. And kapag may comment kayo, suggestion, feedback, reaction, or anything, reach me out or mag-comment down below muna kayo. Mag-comment down below. Ayan. And reach me out in my Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter, The Story of Anthony. Ayan. So, hanggang dito na lamang po. I'm going to prepare now sa duty ko para mag-work ulit. So, till then, goodbye guys and God bless.